आपकी बड़ी नवाजिश है। पहले मैं आप सबका शुक्रिया अदा करूंगा, बड़े वलवले से आप लोग आए। What a lovely audience. My first poem is all about slowing down in your life. This is my brand new poem. The title is It is Time to Slow Down. It is time to slow down, stay mindful, watch the birds in the meadows, admire the flowers in the garden, chat with the friends in the neighborhood, have a cup of hot tea, read an amazing book, play some relaxing music, sing your favorite song, go for a walk with your loved one, say how much you treasure her or him in your life. Cherish this present moment. There is more life than making it go faster. My next poem is based on my fantasy and visualization of meditation at the planet Mars. I am sitting calmly straight up on my heels by the rainbow-colored sand dunes, created by the Martian gusty winds, palms of my hands on my knees, and the crown of my head towards the adorable sky. This blissful meditation in the silence of glorious sand dunes is expanding